Hi, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can access your file manager within your WordPress dashboard. So let me show you how you can access your htaccess file or add.txt file or robot.txt file in your file manager without logging your cPanel or panel. So you can easily access your file manager from your WordPress dashboard. So let me just show you. So for this you need to go to your plugin section and you need to install a plugin. So you can simply search for file manager and here you will get a lot of plugins. So here I will choose this one, file manager, and it has 1 million plus active installations. So let's install this plugin here. Now let's activate this plugin. Okay, now we have installed the file manager plugin. So here you will see this option WP file manager in the left menu. So let's click on here and here you will see a screen like this. So let's click on no thanks here. And as you can see that here you will get all the files in your WordPress website. So here you can see license.txt. So you can add new file here. So if you want to add new file, then you can simply click on this here, new file option. And here you can set a plain txt here like this. Or suppose you want to create a ads.txt file. So you can simply put it like ads.txt. Let's hit enter. And as you can see that our ads.txt file is added and I can simply open it and I can also delete it or I can edit everything from my WordPress admin dashboard. So let's click on here and let's click on code editor. And here I can add my add.txt content and save this file. So in this way you can add multiple files and you can create multiple folders and you can access to different options here, like you can access to WP admin folder and you can access to your WP content folder, and here you can check the uploads folder here, and as you can see that you will get all the folder access within your WordPress dashboard. So I hope this video helps you access your WordPress file manager without logging to your panel or cPanel. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe this channel. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.